Alyssa at the book table, and I'm here in the toys department to tell you about my favorite toy, the windups. We've got all kinds of windups. We've got caterpillars, a really cute ladybug named Lori. And for those who like space, we've got Spacey the alien. And we've even got walking binoculars. And for the boys who like their cars, we've got about 5 different kinds that do tricks. Okay. And my very favorite one is Max, and he dances. Look at all the different kinds we have, and they're only $4.99. So come in and get yours today.